Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you how to find some inspiration as you are planning your Mother's Day lessons. So let me take you first to my YouTube channel. You may have come across it. And on the very front page, I have put all my Mother's Day playlists of ideas there at the top. And all you do is you click on the title of that playlist, and then you can scroll through and see my ideas as well as many other ideas that I found that I thought, oh, these are great ideas. So if you go to my YouTube front page, you will see those Mother's Day playlists at this time of year. The other thing that you can do is you can go to writeideaswithsusan.com, and if you go across the top here and click on printables, and then scroll down to my Mother's Day resources, which is here, and my free lesson plan for Mother's Day. All you do is you click on the green button, it'll download straight to your computer, and then you have it and print it out. And I also have a Mother's Day chart that goes well with this lesson, but you can make your own. I also have a Mother's Day chatterbox card that you can also get from my website. So if you want one of those, you just click on the button. It'll take you there to my little shop, and you can download it from there. All my Mother's Day things are on sale around Mother's Day, so you will find them here on my website. So guys, I hope this little tutorial helps you as you look for ideas and get things ready for Mother's Day.